So let's look at this fancy word called composition. So what it means is that we of functions, okay? So we know what a function is, but a composition of functions is multiple functions inside of each other. So let's look at an example. So we have f of x is equal to x squared minus 5, okay? And now let's have another function. Let's call it g of x is equal to radical x plus 1. Okay, so now what the idea is, what is a composition? So composition will look like this: f of g of x. Okay, so what does that mean? So we always just gonna see what is the most inner part. Where is our x? Our x is here, and it's always gonna go to the left. Always go to the nearest left letter. So when x touches g, what happens? G will be like this. When we see x of g, when x goes to g, and when x goes to g, it becomes this thing. Okay, now we have this thing. Now let's just rewrite it. Now that we've evaluated this part, we're going to do always the most inner thing. It's like, PEMDAS, we do parentheses first. So you do the most inner parentheses. So we do the most inner parentheses, then we do the outer parentheses. So we're going to rewrite this like this: f of x plus 1. Because g of x is equal to this, so we just replace it, right? It makes sense, right? We just replace it. Okay? Now that we've replaced it, now it's like in f of x. We go back to f of x, and we know how a function works. Whatever we put inside, we do something to it, and then we get an output. So we give it input, and this is what we do to get an output. So we have the input, and now we're just going to plug it in to get the output. So let's do that. So we see that whatever x is, we have to square it. So so what we're going to do, this is going to be equal to, let's use black color. This is going to be equal to, we're going to take it and square it. So take it, x plus 1, square it, and minus 5. And there you go. That's what f of g of x means, right? It's not that, okay, that's basically what it is. Now, we're almost done. I just want to quickly show you what else you might see it as. You also might see it as this. You might see f circle g of x. Okay? And these are literally the same thing, because we know that whatever is to the left, it will always go to the left first. Okay? And yeah, so that's basically what composition of functions are.